Hey guys. All right. Last week we did week 27, days 1 through 4 of your morning work. That should be in your binder. If you have not done that, or week 28 rather, go ahead and pause the video and do it now and come back for the answers. So on the first one, we're going to divide the square into 6. It doesn't matter how you do that. I'm going to do it kind of like I would cut brownies. And then it says to shade 1/6. It's kind of crooked, sorry. Write the missing number. So we need to figure out the pattern. So from 89 to 85, there should be 4 numbers. So it looks like we are subtracting 4 each time. So 81 minus 4, 80, 79, 78, 77. 77 minus 4, 76, 75, 74, 73. And 73 minus 4, 72, 71, 70, 69. 1 times 8 is 8, 7 times 8 is 56, and 12 divided by 3 is 4. We can think of that as the opposite, blank times 3 equals 12. So if you're having a hard time with that division sign. All right, how many 8s are shaded? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 in 1. There's going to be 16 1/8 pieces, which is 16/8. So 16 1/8 is shaded. Divide the rectangle into 6 and label each 6th. Do 5 lines to make 6. Each is 1/6. All right, next one is the word problem. Use your chart for this. Joseph earns $4 a day for 7 days for doing household chores. Each day his mom takes out $2 and puts it into a savings account. How much money does Joseph get to keep? So there are multiple ways we can work this, but we need to see that there are 3 numbers here, which means we're going to do more than one step. So first you can figure out, do you have a total? No. Are they equal? Yes. So on your chart, that would tell you need to multiply. So my first step is to do 7 times 4 equals 28. So now I need to figure out how much his mom took out. Do I have a total? No. Are they equal? Yes. Again, I would multiply. $2 a day for the 7 days would then give me the equation 7 times 2. Which is 14. But this is going to be a 3-step word problem because now, do I have a total? No. Are they equal? No. So I need to subtract the 28, take away the 14. So how much money does he get to keep? He gets to keep $14. Again, there are multiple ways you could solve that. That's just one. All right, divide this number line into 6. That's going to be 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And label 1/6 and 5/6. You can go and label all of them or just label these fractions. 0/6, 1/6, 2/6, 3/6, 4/6, 5/6. I'm going to put dots to show exactly what line I'm supposed to be on. All right, these are the ones where we can take our zeros off, add them back at the end. 40. 4 times 9 is going to be 36. Add the 0 back, 360. And 60 times 1 would be 60. This is that line plot. Remember, we did that last week. All you have to do is put x's at that specific fraction. So we're going to go to 1 1/4 and put 2 x's. 1 1/2 and put 1x. And 2 1/4 and put 4. You shouldn't have any at 1 3/4 or 2 wholes. Greater than, less than, equal to. So both of these are in 8ths. This is 3/8 shaded. This is 7/8 shaded. Which is more? Well, you'd rather eat 7/8 of the pie. So the mouth opens up to 7/8, or you can imagine that it's the bird's beak. So here's what the mouth would look like. Here's what the bird's beak would look like. It just depends on which way you want to look at it. John runs 3 miles 3 times every week. How many miles does he run in 6 weeks? So 3 numbers, more than 2 steps, or rather more than 1 step. So 3 miles 3 times a week. Do I have a total? No. Are they equal? Yes. So then I would multiply first. 3 times 3 gives me 9. and I'd start back on my chart. Do I have a total? No. Are they equal? Yes. So 9 times a week times 6 weeks would give me 54. So how many miles does he run in 6 weeks? 54 miles. It's a lot. All right, last. So round each number to the nearest 10 and then add it. So 210 is what 212 would round to, and 87 would round to 90, and together those two are going to give us 300. Jill has 45 candies. She wants to put the candy equally into 9 bags. How many candies does Jill need to put in the bag? I have 2 numbers, which means I'm probably going to just do one step. Do I have a total? Yes. 45 is my total. Are they equal? Yes, because of the word equally. So that would show me I need to divide. 45 divided by 9 gives me 5 in each bag. Okay, are 1/4 and 3/8 equivalent? So where is 1/4 on my number line? It is not there. So I need to figure out where are my fourths. So I need to go and split my number line into fourths. This is just like what we did on that Eureka lesson. This would be 0/4, 1/4, 2/4, 3/4, and 4/4. So if I look, is 1/4 and 3/8 at the same spot? No, they're not equal. But I could also do that trick of the butterfly, 1/4 and 3/8. I'm trying to figure out, are they equal? Draw your butterfly, connecting your numerator and denominator. 8 times 1 is 8. 4 times 3 is 12. Is 8 and 12 the same number? No, they are not equivalent. Write 2 fractions that are equivalent. So you can pick 1/4 and 2/8. You can do 1/2 and 4/8. Any fractions that are at the same point on the number line are considered equivalent. So I'm going to pick 2/4 is equal to 1/2, which is also equal to 4/8. So I actually picked 3 numbers that are all equal because they are all at the same point on the number line. All right, I will take a picture of this, post it on Dojo as well as the other lessons. That is it for the week. For the next 2 days, you can practice your math facts or just take a break. All right, guys, have a good afternoon.